What's up, guys? So today we are going to be making a pumpkin spice cheesecake, and like for like the holiday season, for Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that jazz. Anyways, so it takes like an hour or something like that to make it, and I'm gonna show you all the ingredients, and then we're gonna get right into it, okay? Now, first thing that we have to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We all know how to cook a cake, right? Actually, I don't know. Gotta pour the cake mix in bowl first. This bowl might not be big enough, but that's okay. You can get a little messy. It says that we need 3 eggs. This is the worst part. I always hate doing the eggs. The eggs, they just always get everywhere and just like not fun. Anyways, so here's the first egg. So hopefully I don't get the shell in it because I tend to do that. I definitely got the shell in it. No. Oh no, this is actually bad. Crap. Okay, so if you ever get shell in your, whenever you're cooking, you just take a fork and usually you can get it out. See? Okay, that was only the first egg. It's devastating. Okay, next egg. Hope this one's better. Ooh, smooth. Whisk. Once you have your cake all mixed together, it says to pour 2.5 cups of the cake batter into the pan. So what do we do if we have some cake batter left over? I don't know. Drink it? Eat it? Don't know. Okay, we're not gonna measure because measuring's for weenies. So we're gonna pour it and hope it's for the best, Now, you bake this for 15 to 17 minutes. So after you make the bottom of that cheesecake, you're gonna have some excess. Yes, I did. You know what? I'm a chef, woman. Get out of my kitchen. This excess. How do you say that word? Extra. Okay, you have some extra amount of cake batter left over. So, you might as well just not waste it because, your girl's living on a budget and you can't just waste food. So, you just pour into a cake pan and just go ahead and bake that too. So you have to have a beater and some beat sticks. I don't actually know what these are called, but I also don't know how to do this. I promise my hands are clean. Okay. So we have our beater. So we have these 3 things of cream cheese. Yes, this is gonna be so unhealthy, but who cares? It's Thanksgiving and Christmas time, and you can just become unhealthy. And you know what? During this time of the year, you just give up on all diets and you just eat. And you just never stop eating. You want to make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature before you start beating it, because if you beat it, you'll break your beater. Can't beat the cream cheese too hard. little bitty paper cups. And I don't really know why we have these, but we always have them around for some reason. We just keep them around. I don't know why, okay? Anyways, so we're going to take 4 teaspoons of this pumpkin pie spice. Somebody please tell me why I was trying to listen to the sweet condensed milk as if I was going to hear something. This is not good. Oh yeah, I have to turn it on. Oops, I'm an idiot. I hate doing this. I hate doing this more than anything in the world. I hate doing this. I hate doing this. I hate doing this. This is called fluffy. Okay, so you're going to take the 3 eggs, and then the pumpkin, and then the sweet condensed milk, and then the pumpkin pie spice, and you're gonna beat it in the cream cheese. Now we're gonna pour on the pumpkin spice. Gotta take these out. Hope I don't drop them in the thing. That would be terrible. I can't do it. Thank you. So the cake is done. Now that our cheesecake is complete, if you're gonna serve it the next day, you want to put it in the fridge and then serve it, and we'll put some whipped cream on it tomorrow in the morning. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like my video and subscribe so you don't miss any more.